It's Rachel with WTI, and everyone needs a reliable battery charger. This one's the best. It's by Anker. I really like it. I like how it's super slim and it does an excellent job charging. This battery charger is great. It's nice and portable. It's slim. It's not too heavy, so it's easy to take with me and use wherever I go. And it's incredibly simple to use. You'll see there's just that one main button there. And once it's charged, you'll see all those 4 blue buttons to be lit up. You can see how tiny it is. It's smaller than my hand, so it makes it easy for traveling. I also like that it doesn't take a long time to recharge the actual battery. You can see here it's recharging, and once those 4 blue dots are lit up, it's ready to go. I've been using this battery charger for well over a year, and I've been traveling with it, and it's awesome. If you're looking for a reliable, slim, powerful battery charger, try this one out by Anker. You're gonna love it, just like me, but that's my point of view.